Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, reading po ito for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Take only what resonates, guys. Hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin nyo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa inyo. Kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe sa ating channel, pahit na lang ng subscribe button, notification bell. Ma-appreciate ko po lahat ng likes, comments, and shares. If you want, pwede ka magpa-personal reading. Jing Tarot Reader. Search mo na lang siya sa Facebook, sa Messenger, and sa TikTok. And yung akin naman po TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Feel free to check it out. Let's start your reading. This is for the sign of Virgo. What do we have here for the sign of Virgo? You do have here the Eight of Cups, Seven of Wands, and the Tower. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the Four of Pentacles. I feel like there's choices na parang kailangan mong gawin pero hindi mo alam kung paano gagawin, or might be may mga tao na kailangan mong kausapin pero hindi mo alam kung paano kakausapin. It's like maybe you are nahihiya or hindi mo alam kung paano yung approach na gagawin mo. There's this Tower, like something needs to end here pero hindi mo alam kung paano gagawain yung ending na yon or paano mangyayari yung ending na yon. Like you want something na parang maayos pero might be may mga ibang taong involved dito, and that maybe may kinalaman ito sa iyong career with the Four of Pentacles. Nagiging magulo. I feel like tinatry mong wag pansinin or mag-hide or might be wag makialam, or might be wag masyadong maging affected dito. Tinatry mong ganon, but hindi mo pwedeng hindi mapansin, hindi mo pwedeng hindi makita kung ano nangyayari. Ano yung advice regarding dito sa bagay na to? Okay. Eight of Cups is here. Wheel of Fortune, Seven of Cups. The High Priestess. Okay, so the Star is here. So yung advice sa'yo, if you want to reach your dreams, I feel like there's these people, friends, na pwedeng makatulong para sa'yo. Like, sila yung willing talagang tumulong with the Six of Cups. So, yun yung nakikita nating advice. And also at the same time, kung gusto mong maggawa ng changes, gumawa ng malaking pagbabago with the Wheel of Fortune, the advice for you is, with the High Priestess, natatawa ako dun sa iba. Nakakakita ako dito ng advice na kailangan mong gumastos. Which is, yung iba sa inyo, alam mo na yun. Yung kailangan mong gumastos. Kasi there's this big change in the future pagdating sa pera sa'yo, pero kailangan mong gastosan. With the High Priestess, kung ano yung tingin mong dapat gawin, yun yung dapat mong gawin. I feel like you don't need any advice. Ang kailangan mo lang is action mula dun sa nararamdaman mong tama at dapat gawin. Okay? And pagdating sa love, what is the message here for love? What is the message here for love? The Ten of Wands is here. Your person, which is with the Knight of Cups. Four of Pentacles. The Hierophant. Medyo maraming responsibilidad ang person na ito. This person loves you. Tinatry niya mag-ipon. With the Hierophant, I feel like this person wants something. I don't know if you're married to this person or you're married in the past, past life connection. May tayo dito, energy ng soulmate, especially the High Priestess is here. So ayun. Sobrang bigat ng nararamdaman niya ngayon, or sobrang bigat ng dala-dala niya. So maraming obligation, maraming kailangan gawain, asikasuhin, ayusin. Yeah, Four of Pentacles is here. So, nakafocus ang taong ito sa pag-iipon, pag-iipon, pag-iipon. This person is thinking about you. Wait lang, guys. By the way, this is Bato Omo, no? Nine of Pentacles is here. And the Six of Pentacles. And the Three of Pentacles. Okay. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So, saan nakikita natin dito? More on money ang focus ng taong ito ngayon. Sobrang napapagod siya. Iniisip ka niya, pero maaaring kaya siya nag-iisip ng pera sa ngayon dahil iniisip niya na mag-ipon ng something na may kinalaman sa'yo, sa inyo. Gusto niya ng growth sa money, and feeling niya kailangan niya munang ayusin ngayon yung pera niya, yung finances niya. Ang daming problema, ang daming suliranin. What will happen in the near future for you, Virgo? Three of Pentacles is here. Six of Swords. Regarding the past, nakakita natin nakaka-move on ka na or naka-move on ka na. In the near future, Three of Pentacles. Nine of Swords. Two of Swords. Nakakita tayo dito ng malaking, hindi na malaking problema, but maybe a decision na parang ang hirap talagang alam mo ngayon nangyayari na sa iyo yung pagkahirap mag-decision. Kasi once na ma-attach ka na sa isang tao, sa sitwasyon, hindi ka na makapag-desisyon ng maayos dahil kino-consider mo na rin kung yung regarding sa emosyon mo, yung regarding sa magiging emosyon ng mga taong nasa paligid mo. And with the Seven of Pentacles, I feel like there's this mga words na pipigilan mo in the near future nasabihin. Nakakamoy ako ng suka, by the way. I don't know if you're cooking something na may suka or you're eating something na isinasawsaw sa suka. Ayan. And then, nakita tayo dito ng pag-away, labanan, and you don't know what to do. You don't know what to do. Nakikita natin ma-achieve mo talaga yung pangarap mo. The star is here. And clarify the star. Ma-achieve mo yung pangarap mo dito. Ace of Pentacles. I can see new contract, new business, new career. And pwedeng magdulot na naman ng magandang balik ng pera ito sa'yo. And with the Death card, Scorpio energy. Yeah, that's new beginning. Tell me about the Death card. Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles. New career. The Lovers is here. And guess what? I can see a new connection. New love. The Lovers. And with the Hanged Man, might be this person is waiting for you. I feel like hindi ka naman naghahanap ng love. You already have the love na kailangan mo, friends, family, and if you do have karelasyon, may nararamdaman tayong ganon, but dalawang lovers ang nandito. So I can see 2 relationship ang possible maranasan mo this year. And you do have the 3 of Swords. There's a third party or third person energy, and this is a new person. Might be hindi mo pa siya iniisip ngayon. Might be minsan mo na pinangarap tong taong to. I don't know. The energy is mixed. Pero I can see a new person, new relationship for you, and pwedeng itong person na ito ay naghihintay na siya na magkaroon ng malaking pagbabago sa inyo. And pwedeng itong person na ito is kasalukuyan nag-iipon na nga ngayon because with the Sun, gusto niyang maging masaya, and ang makakapagpasaya sa kanya ay ang pagkakaroon ng connection or reconnection sa inyo. Okay? And thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.